Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Andrew here, and today I'm gonna work on the CL500 a little bit more. I'm gonna be working on the engine compartment. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and clean some of the dirt that there is in there. It has been sitting for a long time. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tank for the hydraulic suspension. Because I need to clean it, there seems to be a lot of gunk inside. The liquid, the oil should be green and it's basically brown. I think it's never been changed for 100,000 miles. So I need to clean that reservoir, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it back, clean the rest of the system, and hopefully this will fix the lagging suspension. It takes some time, and there is also some noise from the hydraulic pump. Okay, so here it is. It's removed the tank for the hydraulic suspension. It's a tandem pump. Actually, it's working for the hydraulic steering and the hydraulic suspension, so it's dual action pump. So basically there's a lot of gunk here which I need to clean. Also, you can see here before, if you can see the color, I added some of the oil. This takes some CHF 11S for the hydraulic, and here you can see it's brown. If you can see the color, yes, here's the brown color. It shouldn't be brown, it should be clear green. So I need to clean this thing, empty it, clean it, and then try to I will put it back, and then I will flush the rest of the fluid that there is currently in the pump and in the suspension, because the fluid is not flowing freely. It flows only when the pump pumps the fluid around the system. So hopefully this prolongs the ABC suspension life, and it fixes some of the noises that this car makes from the ABC pump. Okay, so what I received today also is this piece here. This is the passenger side complete lock assembly. This car has a soft close automatic system, and this works both ways. It can work without the soft close automatic system, but it's gonna leak air from down here. This one, it has a pump that basically it is a complicated mechanism. It's a membrane that gets pushed by the air and just sucks the lock when it's halfway closed. Let me show you how mine was before. So mine, the hinges were broken completely, so it was hanging like this, and all the components like this spring and this thing here, which is a membrane, were basically loose inside the door. So what was this was causing the vacuum pump to run longer, and eventually it did burn out because it was trying to push air from here, but it was leaking air from here, which is like such a large gap. Now it's open. So that's gonna solve the problem with the soft close. Not only with the soft close, but with the vacuum pump in the future. What I'm also gonna do after I resolder these wires, which came cut from the seller, I already knew that, but it kept the cost down. I'm gonna go ahead and flex seal all this part, and I'm gonna be proactive here because this usually cracks around here, and once it starts cracking it will pop out again, and hopefully this increases its structural rigidity a bit more. That is all for today. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel or liking this video, as it will help me a lot. And as always, I will see you next time.